Okay, start with the booth laid on its back. Undo and remove the two brackets at the bottom of the seat and dispose of the brackets. Remove the seat, dispose of the bracket. Two templates, select the square one and place it as seen, the holes to the top, push to the front. Mark the holes, remove the template. Next thing to do is to mark the underside of the seat with the templates with that template. Put in place, mark the two holes. Same on the opposite side. Okay, get the hinge in this position. Place a mark against the marked holes. Put the screws in to the seat. Both sides are fixed with 3 screws. There's a way round the hinge. Okay, now turn your seat over, put in place.
It's back.
And then lay it on its back again.
And then you've got to get inside.
Now you must, from underneath, you can see that you can easily fix the screws.
Up to the holes.
Line up to the holes you've marked before. Put your 3 screws in there. Okay, you fix those 3 screws, and the same on the other side. Turn the booth back up onto its place. Lift the seat from the rear. Now you can place the other screw to the bottom hole. Do that both sides. Okay, that's the hinges finished. Now all that needs doing is a strap put on the back of the seat like this. Okay, you lay your strap in the middle position on the seat like so. You need a screw in the washer. You place in the strap like so. And put the second screw and washer a little way up from the first one. And that's it, finished.
Shut seat.
Closes
Like that.
and opens. Perfect.